Hello children, we are learning about the nervous system. Lesson 1.2. In the lesson, the topic that we will learn is what is nervous system, what are the different parts of nervous system, different actions of the body and the sense organs. So in the picture, beside there is a picture, it is in the green color background. So there you can see the parts of nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Okay children. So previous day we have learnt about what is nervous system. Okay, and the components of nervous system like brain, spinal cord and the nerves. So we have discussed about the nervous system, what is the function of nervous system and the brain. Today we will discuss number 2 and 3, that is spinal cord and nerves, and in the slide it is mentioned with the stars. Now children, let's go to the next slide. What is nervous system? So nervous system controls the activities of all other organ systems of our body. This system consists of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Let's gather some more information about them. Now students, we will come to know about the brain. What is brain? Brain is the control center of the body. You can say also the brain is the boss of our body. It controls all the body parts and their activities. Okay. It will perform different types of activities like number 1, it will coordinate and it will control the body processes like breathing, digestion of food, respiration, etc. It will also control the movement of the body and its various parts. It will also interpret the sensation and allow the body to react according to that. For example, when you touch anything very hot, your brain immediately sends signals to your hand and it will tell to withdraw your hand from there. It will also help us to think, learn, memorize and apply the logic. Okay, and the brain is protected by the skull. It has 3 parts like cerebrum, cerebellum and the brain stem. Okay, brain has 3 parts like cerebrum, cerebellum and the brain stem. So children, what is cerebellum? Okay, in the picture, here is a picture so that you will understand better. So you can, from the picture you will understand that cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is responsible for thinking and reasoning. What is reasoning? See, you will solve different types of math word problems. Okay, so you can say these are the reasoning. It will also control our intelligence, our learning, our memory, the way we are thinking, and it will control the sense organs. Okay, now what is cerebellum? Cerebellum is located at the back side of the brain and you can also tell it is just below the cerebrum. What is the function of cerebrum? It will control the body movement, muscle coordination, and it is because of cerebellum only that we can stand upright, move around and maintain our body balance. Now students, we will learn about the brain stem. Brain stem is divided into 3 parts like that: the midbrain, the pons and medulla oblongata, or you can say medulla also. Okay, so medulla oblongata is very often referred to as the medulla. Where is it located? Is it located just beneath the cerebellum? It connects the rest of the brain to the spinal cord. It controls the vital activities like breathing, digestion, blood circulation, heart rate, blood pressure, etc. All the information to and from our body passes through the medulla on the way to or from the brain. Now children, we will learn about the nerves. What are nerves? Nerves form a network of pathways for conducting information throughout the body. They transfer messages to and from the brain so that it can function efficiently. It is a whitish fiber, or you can say a bundle of fiber inside the body, okay, which are responsible for the transmission of the messages to the brain or the spinal cord, and the impulses from these to the muscles and organs. Okay, so now we will discuss about the types of nerves. There are 3 types of nerves. So, number 1, I will start from the motor nerves. You can see there is a black color arrow just below the red color line. So, it is coming from the brain. Okay, so what is the function of motor nerves? Motor nerves will carry the message from the brain to the other parts of the body. Let's talk about the sensory nerve. Sensory nerves will bring the messages from the sense organs to the brain. What is the function of mixed nerves? There are another kind of nerves. They will act like that. They will carry messages to and from the brains. Okay, so let's discuss with an example. So, suppose I got hurt in my hand. So, what will happen? Sensory nerve will bring this message from the hand, or you can say the skin, to the brain. Now, brain will interpret the message. Okay, it will pass the message through the motor nerves to the body part, and it will say ki you got hurt, it bleeds from your hand, you need to apply, you need to go for the first aid. Okay, so inside our body there are mixed nerves who will carry the messages to and from the brain. Now students, we will discuss about the spinal cord. What is spinal cord? It is a long, thick bundle of nerves that extends from the medulla. It means that starts from medulla. It is surrounded, or you can say it is covered, and it is protected by a bony vertebral column. The length of spinal cord is much shorter than the length of the vertebral column. It transfers information between the brain and the rest of our body through the nerves. So children, hereby I am going to finish the session. Thank you for hearing me.